Instead of talking about tips and tricks for today, I want to be talking about a story. A story of why I joined the Katimavik program and the experiences that I've gone through to help me become who I am today. This is a story of pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. And it's such a long one that I have to break this up into multiple parts. The Katimavik program is a program that brings together young Canadians and places them in a community in somewhere Canada. From there, you have to do volunteer work, but also you have other activities with the group that you're with. This group consists of 10 people plus one leader to look after you guys. For me specifically, this program lasted me 9 months. It's going to be easier for me to break everything down into three videos, primarily because I went to 3 locations over the 9 months that I was traveling. Those locations are Williams Lake, British Columbia, Steinbeck, Manitoba, and lastly, Kapuskasing, Ontario. So I'm going to be breaking those videos down into those 3 sections, talking about my experiences and sharing with you guys what it was that I was going through at the time and why I was going through those and what I learned from all of those experiences. But overall, I can say that those experiences helped me out a lot. Even though at the time I didn't quite think that they actually would help me all that much, and even though I didn't get that much out of the program, I realize now as I've gotten older that the experiences that I've gone through this program really helped me in becoming who I am today. And it's why I'm very happy that the program is still around, even though at the time that I joined, the program ran into some funding issues, and there was a high chance that the program would actually get canceled and stop entirely. So I'm really happy and excited that the Katimavik program is still around doing this amazing work. And I want to be sharing this story as a means of providing some confidence for you guys, but also for you guys to understand a little bit more about me as an individual. So in the next couple of videos, I will be talking about those experiences, and I'm excited to be sharing them with you guys.